Okay, so today I'll be discussing the various faculty positions that are open at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi. This is their homepage, and let's go to their careers section. So this is the uh, careers section of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University. So here is the advertisement, and the last date for their application is 15th May, which is near. So let's see the detailed advertisement. Okay, so these are the various disciplines where in which the various faculty positions of professor, associate professor, and assistant professor are available, and you can see these are the various category-wise vacancies that are shown here. For example, you can see in management, there's a one vacancy of professor in unreserved category, one of associate professor in ST category, and one of assistant professor in unreserved category. Okay, so you can see this chart, and if your discipline, uh, uh, if your domain falls under any of them, so then obviously you can apply. Okay, and here the pay scale is mentioned for the different posts, so you can check that. And then the eligibility for the various domains and for various positions. For example, if we just see any of them, let's see the management. So if we, yeah, this is the management in management domain. So for the professor post, you should have a PhD degree and of minimum 10 years experience, and at least six research publications at level of associate in essay journals, or at least 10 research publications in level of associate in essay journals. So this you can check, and in for correspondingly for the associate and assistant, since in management discipline all three posts are available, so all three eligibilities are separately mentioned. Okay, so for assistant professor, um, uh, a simple master's degree is required, either MBA or PhD, MCA, ICWM, com, etc. Okay, so so let me show you the last dates. So the closing date is 15th May for all the vacancies. So the last date to apply online is 15th May, and you have to send the hard copy of application to their respective address. So the last date to receive the hard copy of application is 20th May. That means by 15th May you must submit the application, and immediately you should post your application so that it would reach the destination by 20th. Okay, so hurry up, the deadline is near. Okay, thank you.